Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and checking out another video. Today we're still working on the old oil burner. So today's project, we're planning on mounting the drip feed system to the side, make a standoff that'll hold it out away from the thing and get it kind of lined up. And I'm going to work on the door latch. I think I got it figured out up here. Hopefully it works. It works up here. Hopefully it works on there. So y'all hang out and we'll get things going. Alright y'all, here's what I come up with for the drip feed mount. Got this rod here, comes over and it goes into that little piece of pipe, but as you can see it'll pivot. So when we have to turn this out of the way, my theory is, you know, the hose will go with it, maybe. I don't know. But I do just have it hose clamped on in case it doesn't work the way I want it to. But so far, you know, I got it kind of tacked on there, and I just need to cut this rubber line here and put a couple clamps on it, and we're good to go on that. I did put some Teflon tape on all these. I got that bushing right there, but got everything all plumbed up and ready to go. So I'm gonna get this hose cut, get it installed, a couple clamps, and then we'll move on to the door latch. Alright y'all, got that hose put on there. You can see it moves. I didn't try to rotate the blower tube or anything yet, but I think it'll work fine. I'm not going to put any clamps on there yet. It fit up on there pretty tight, and this ain't under any pressure, it's just gravity. And if this doesn't work to where it'll, you know, I can just rotate this. I can slide that up off of there and do my rotation that I need, and because we're gonna have to rotate this to get the burn pot out every once in a while when we do have to clean it. So, let's go move on to the door latch now. So, hang on, we'll bring y'all back. All right, y'all. This is my idea for the door latch. I got some more of that round stock there that I used for hang the drip feed. I think I'm going to bend a loop in the end of it, weld a bolt to here, have it come out, and have a piece of steel over here that's kind of either notched out or just L-shaped, and we can latch it down. So I'm gonna have to make up something to bend that eyelet on the end. So let's get that. I'm gonna get that done, and then we'll bring you back when we go to bend it. Alright y'all, here's what I come up with for bending this round stock. It's just a couple bolts, got my vise there, and I'm gonna get the torches over here, heat it up, and we'll bend her around, make an eyelet. I had to weld this piece in between the two bolts because my vise wouldn't lock down on both of them just right. So I'm gonna grab the torches and get the heating, and we'll get the bending. So give me a second, we'll get that and we'll get this bent up. Alright y'all, I am running way low on acetylene. I have another tank. It's just hopefully I can get this bent before I run out. Hey, look at that, guys. We got her bent around there before we ran out of acetylene, which is awesome. So, alright. I'm I'm going to get this out of the vise here, and I might bend it around a little bit more, that one tail end there, try to get it more of a circle. So we'll bring it back in a minute here when I get it out of this jig. Alright y'all, here's what we come up with. I think I'm going to put a little bead of weld in there just to hold that shut, and then we'll get her over on the burner and see what we do after that. Alright y'all, here's what I come up with. Got my loop bent on the end there, and got the bolt this bolt just tacked on there. What I'll do is I'll snug this up just a hair, about right in there, cut it off, and I'll tack weld it to keep it from coming off. But I think that's what we got right there. You know, if you guys can see there, there's a kind of angled this way, and I drilled the hole here so it has like a little notch for it to sit in. And yeah, I think that's gonna work out good. It's just tack welded on right now. I think I'm gonna have to move it up just a hair. It's raising the door up. I don't know, maybe we will, maybe we won't, but yeah, I think it'll work nice once we get the seal put around that door. And of course I'll cut this off here. Might make a little wooden handle or something to I don't know. So that's in the future. Right now, you know, I'll just cut it off out here somewhere, and you know, and we're not going to be opening this thing all the time, so maybe I won't even put any kind of a wooden handle or anything on it at all. I'll just cut it off, and then, you know, when I need to, open it up, have at it. So, alright, I'm going to finish welding this up here, and we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, we got the door latch done. We got the drip feed mounted, so I think I'm going to call it a video here. The only thing we have left to do is cut the opening in the top for the chimney to come out and weld the bottom on. I'm going to need to get some help over here to get this thing flipped upside down so that I can weld the bottom on, but that'll probably be another video. We'll probably finish that up, get the chimney cut in it. My mind's going. Get the chimney cut in it, get a little piece of pipe or something put on there. We'll take her outside and fire her up. So thank you, appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this out to any of your friends and everything. So that's all I got for today, guys. Sorry if it's a short video. Talk to you on the next one. Thanks.